Teuna Classic tax bond. I mean, this tax bond is not really burning a lot. On a daily basis, okay, like in the past 24 hours, the tax bond has been able to burn just, I would say it's just because this is quite small, 43,554,357 Teuna Classic coin. 43,554,357 Teuna Classic coin on a daily basis. This same tax bond that a lot of people believe that is capable of burning over 50 billion coins in a single day is now burning 43 million coins, not even up to 100 million coins. So tax bond for me, I think this is not really good for Teuna Classic LLC. With this stat, it means in 50 years, Teuna Classic might just be burning 50% to 70% of its circulating supply. Not even its supply, circulating supply. So imagine burning 50% or 70% of Teuna Classic in 50 years. Nobody wants to wait for that time, okay? Because everybody wants to put their money where their money is working. We are investing in our youth days so that in the next 20-30 years, we will definitely be smiling. Why some people believe any investment you are investing on, at least in 10 years, you should see something. In 5 years, you should be able to achieve something great with such investment. So that is why for Teuna Classic, we believe even in any crypto coins you are investing on, at least give it time. Okay, give it time. I believe any investment, I would just tell people, just keep on pushing for the next 10 years on that investment, and you might end up seeing something positive on it. And I believe, I remember Mr. Beast, like he said, he did YouTube for over 2 years without achieving nothing. But today you can see where he is. And of course, I learned from one of a blogger that said he blogged for 2 years, earning nothing. But when she wanted to give up, that was when money started coming in. And today, he's a billionaire. So for me, I think whatever you are doing, you need patience, you need time, okay? Time waits for no one, but you need to invest your time wisely. So for me, I believe Teuna Classic, no one is ready to wait for a very long period of time for Teuna Classic to destroy. So everyone believes that in the next at least 3 to 5 years, if anything needs to happen on Teuna Classic, at least it has to start now. You have to be improving every day. They have to keep improving. People need to keep seeing their money increasing, improving every day, day in, day out. And I believe in 5 years, that little improvement will turn out to be a huge success. That is when you see people continue to follow you. But by the time in the next 6 months, people are not seeing any positive impact on their investment, definitely they will pull out. That's why I believe that Teuna Classic need to bring us so many ways, so many strategies that can help them improve on the burning, that can help them improve on the price, that can help them improve on Teuna Classic LLC. Once again, remember this is not the financial advice. Please kindly do your own research. Thank you for stopping by.